I miss my iPod Nano. This is commentary from James A. Brown. Yes, I miss my iPod Nano. It was simple, it was small, and it never asked for anything but a good playlist. And I don't think I'm alone. In June 2025, searches for how do MP3 players work spiked nearly 5,000%. That's curiosity from a generation that never knew what they were. It's like me asking about 8-tracks or phonographs. Portable CD players, disposable cameras, pink flip phones are all climbing the charts too. People are searching for wired earphones, phones with buttons, 2000s video games. In last month's top 5 vintage portable searches, DVD players, record players, digital cameras, cassette players, and radios. You know what all those things have in common? You get to turn them off. You get to walk away. You get to fix them. Isn't that a novel idea? Now, will these things make a full comeback? I don't think so. But some of them might stick around like record players, with a second life and a small, loyal following. I miss my iPod Nano. Do you miss yours? Or is there something else you'd bring back? Let me know in the comments and check out more at jamesabrown.net. On that note, I'm James A. Brown, and as always, be well.